Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It is lunchtime, the baby is down for a nap, and I thought that I would do a little video showing you our Christmas decor around our home for 2023, and I thought I would do it in two parts. The first part would be what it looks like during the day, the realities of, you know, what the Christmas decor looks like whilst a toddler is running wild throughout the house. And then I think tonight after bedtime I will light my candles, pop on all of the lights, put the toys away, and show you what the like adult version of the space looks like, all cozy and beautiful. And yeah, I think that will be fun. So without further ado, here's our little Christmas home tour. Okay, so starting in our front foyer, kept it very simple because we have a very small front area, so not a lot of room for decor. So all I did was I popped my favorite thrifted crock up here with a few little faux stems. Kind of hides our thermostat there. And I just think that's so simple and so pretty and still leaves lots of room to like dump stuff. But yeah, other than that, the space is, you know, it is what it is. Our child's shovel, our door that is getting fixed, and that is that's the front foyer. And then when you walk down our little hallway, but I just popped up this little Christmassy moment here on top of this mirror. It's just some dollar store flocked greenery, and I got that years ago. I thought about throwing it out because it's not really my style anymore. I'm not really into the flocked things anymore, but I thought for this year I'd try and use it again. And all I did was I popped it up there and then added some ribbon and let it hang down, and I think that looks really, really sweet. Oops, almost tripped. Yeah, really, really sweet, really, really simple. Just a little festive touch. I think that's so cute. Now going into our main floor bathroom, I'll show you. I just did the tiniest little touch of Christmas in here. Keep in mind, this bathroom is used all throughout the day. We're in the middle of potty training, so, you know, this is our reality. And we've also got some books and a box full of underwear, pull-ups, and wipes. It is what it is. That's our season of life. So all I did in here was just popped up a little random sprig of faux greenery with a little pine cone and some more of that ribbon to kind of tie it all together. And it just adds, I don't know, just like the cutest little touch of Christmas. And I think it's really sweet in here. So moving back through our foyer into our kitchen, I'll show you what we did in here. We kept it simple again. I don't love a lot of extra seasonal decor on surfaces, so I try and keep it like up. So we have our little Let It Snow banner up here that I got from HomeSense on clearance like 6 years ago, and it moves throughout the house. I kind of put it somewhere different every year, but this year it's gonna go here, and I think we're gonna like hang our cards from it as the Christmas cards start coming in, and I think that'll be really, really cute. And then up here, we just popped some red taper candles and some faux greenery, which is actually from Dollarama. It has a little bit of like flocking on it, but I really like how it's not super, super full. It's kind of sparse. I think it looks a little bit more whimsical. And yeah, I just think that's really simple, really cute, keeps it off of the surfaces so we still have lots of room for like activities, crafts, meals, that kind of thing, but still gives a touch of Christmas above the kitchen table. And then over here I just popped our advent calendars. This area is kind of in progress, so I didn't really decorate for Christmas. That's what we're doing for now. And then I think the only other things I did in here was I added some of that same ribbon to my glass jars here that I keep our flour and our rice in. I think it's just so cute. It's very, very easy to do. And again, doesn't add anything to the surface, but still adds a little pop of festive red. And I think that's so stinking cute. Oh, the other thing I did was I thrifted these little Merry Christmas tins last year. I have 3 of them. So I have one up there and it's got some hot chocolate pods in it for our coffee machine. And I just think that's a cute little touch. And then I'll show you where I put the smallest one as well in the living room. And then again, reality moment here, dishes were just washed, so they're drying there. But above the sink, I just put this little garland with a few little twinkle lights. This garland is actually from Canadian Tire, and my husband helped me. He took off the cabinet door so that I could thread the wire through here so that the battery pack is in here, so I can just open the cabinet door, turn it on and off, and it kind of rests there on the shelf, and you can't even really tell. But I think that is just so stinking cute up there. And yeah, that is it. That is all for the kitchen. The diffuser is here year round, but I find it looks extra adorable at this time of year. Okay, heading into the living room. My favorite Christmas decoration ever, the Little Tykes trampoline. I'm joking. Again, kept it simple in here. We've got this little garland that has built-in lights that are actually getting kind of dim, which means I need to change the battery. But yeah, I just kind of popped that above the piano so it's out of the way. And we don't have a fireplace or anywhere to hang our stockings, so up until Christmas Eve, we hang them here. And I think you can kind of tell I've already started popping a few things oops, in my son's stocking, but I think that looks really sweet there. And then I just got these bells, I believe at Canadian Tire as well, a few years ago, and I just kind of popped them here for a little extra touch of the gold, which I really, really enjoy. And then the other thing I did, I just had so much of this ribbon left over, so I put a little bow up there on the frame just for a little pop of festive red on this wall. And I think it's so subtle, but it's so adorable, and I'm such a big fan of it. And then we have another one of these garlands here, which again, I do need to replace the batteries in, but it's just so pretty. I'm such a fan. And then of course, while the child sleeps, I have my favorite winter candle out. This is the Thyme Fraser Fir. I buy this from Indigo every year, and I buy my one candle and it lasts me all December, and I wish you could smell this because it's just divine. And then over here, there's our elf for the day. I just popped up this little tree in the corner here with a little bow on top, just kept it really, really simple. And then over here, again, kept it really simple. We don't keep anything on the table because it's a play surface and I wouldn't want anything too precious to be left out here. It'll probably get broken. And over here, again, kept it so simple. I just popped a little bit of ribbon that I had left on this lamp and a little bow. I think it looks so sweet. And then just a big pile of faux greenery in this pot. And then again, nothing like on the surfaces. I don't own dedicated Christmas pillows, but I still think like this little area looks quite festive just with the wreath and the bow. This is just an old IKEA faux wreath, and then this is some ribbon that one of my gifts last year was wrapped in, and I'm such a sucker for pretty seasonal ribbon, so I obviously kept it and tied a little double bow, and I think that looks so cute. And then this area over here is my son's little nook, I guess we'll call it. And this is just chaos. for most of the day, every day. So all I did was switch out the little cup I have here for this little thrifted tin that says Merry Christmas with a cute little vintage looking Santa on it. And just a cute little touch. He enjoys it. And other than that, we have like a bunch of Christmas books in here. And we also have a few little Christmas books here as well. If you are looking for some new Christmas books to add to your collection, I really recommend this one. It's a version of The Night Before Christmas, and the illustrations in it are just adorable. Lots of little woodland animals. So sweet. Just like really, really magical. And I will link it in the description box down below because it was a new addition to our collection this year. I'm trying to add one new book a year. Okay, now heading upstairs. I don't really decorate up here much for the holidays, but one thing I did this year is add another one of these old IKEA wreaths with some more of this ribbon, and I just think it looks so sweet, especially with the little bench and the pillow there. It's a cute little moment, as they say. And then the only other thing I did was in my son's room, I added a little cutout, like a little wooden Christmas tree over there, which was from Dollarama. And then I also got these garlands from Dollarama, and they were $4 each. They're wood with wooden beads, and I just thought they looked like they were straight out of the Pottery Barn kids collection, like the kids Christmas collection. I just thought they looked so sweet, and yeah, I had to get 2 of them. So for $8 plus like $2, we added a little bit of kid-friendly Christmas decor in here. And then I imagine when he's a little older and we can pop a little Christmas tree in here, these will make really cute little Christmas tree garlands on his little Christmas tree.